Hi everybody, today I wanted to share the joy of unpacking a makeup basket that you can get at Macy's currently. When you have rewards points or something like that, you can get it. So I wanted to unbox it with you guys, share the joy, see how it looks, feels, etc, etc. All right, so how about we start with the shallow side. Let's see what we got. Voila! I guess it's not the shallow side at all. So this one comes with night repair eye cream to go to sleep with it. It comes with 2 holiday themed, red for the holidays, really bright red, like blood red. And in the bottom there's a bow. Oh my god, like some bow design on it. You can't really like see it, but maybe I can get it up close. You can see there's like a bow. So adorbs, super adorable. And it comes in 2 colors, bright red, and this is like a lovely warm pink, and also has the ribbon design on it. Fabulous. And then on top of it, you can add some glitter and glitz, which is another touch for the holidays. It comes with a youth power cream. I'm not sure where you can put this. Probably just your face, I'm assuming, and neck and hands for women, right, who age the most in that area. Intensive hand cream, and it's a really tiny pocket size, so you can put it in your purse. And then this is an advanced night repair that you can put on. Looks like it says apply in the morning and night before moisturizer. Good to know. And then we have an advanced night cleaner gel version of this. And then make sure you always keep one of these, the salt, on your makeup bag, just to keep the moisture away. That way your makeup doesn't crack like the shadow ones. You want to keep those nice and dry. And please don't make the mistake I did of keeping your makeup in the bathroom. Wrong. It'll get moist and break. So this is some cute stuff. A little bit more details about the bag probably. Let's see what else we have to unravel and unwrap. So this is what I'm talking about, that can break if you leave it moist in the bathroom especially. So you want to keep them outside the bathroom and with those little salt bags to keep them nice and dry. So these are the colors that would go best with like my type of skin tone, which is like light bronzed skin tone. You got something like browns and like beige colors, tan colors. Those are the best that fit with my skin tone. And then we got something for your blush. So this is called blush stick. So you just smear it on. You can barely see it, apparently. Oh no, you can see it. Nice. See, I got some extra items that were not included but I really need it, okay? This is a concealer for under my eyes because I get black circles under my eyes. That's what happens when you don't have good night sleep. Let's see if it also is from the same brands. Let's see if it works. Let's see if my dark circles disappear. Make it looking brighter already. Yeah, definitely works, I think. I think I got the right tone for that. And then let me just smear this blush a little bit, like rub it in, and you can definitely see that too. I got some mascara I was running low on. This is supposed to give you volume. They're very big. Bigger than my eye even. Looks scary to me, but we'll see if they do the trick. And this is an Smoke Eye and Brighten eyeliner. So it's dual-sided. Has brown on one side and ivory color on the other side. And that is everything that was in this beautiful Estée Lauder makeup. So if you see it in the store and you were thinking of getting it for a friend or a family member, now you get a glimpse of what it has. Hopefully this video was helpful for your holiday shopping. And I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Until next time, bye-bye.